Let me pass. How is the preparation going on?
Preparations are going on very well. We just had a meeting with the chairman and the co-chairpersons of the committee. It was a useful meeting. We are now looking forward. We are all eager, enthusiastic, and we will work as a team and speak in one voice.
So any decision on alliance, sir? Any decision on alliance? NCP is given 15 days deadline, sir.
Please understand. We are not discussing anything except restructuring the party. For the next month or month and a half, we will only discuss restructuring of the party, revival of the party, expansion of the party's base, and enrolling new members of the party. That's all that we are discussing. I have no mandate to discuss anything else. If you have a mandate, you can discuss it. I have answered your question. My mandate is only now to discuss restructuring of the party,